Inventory counts off? No problem. Let's walk through how to fix them in Business Central.
So, real quick, a surplus is a positive adjustment and a shortage is a negative one. Simple as that.
Business Central actually gives you two main ways to make these corrections. Let's check them out.
So we're going to look at adjusting with a full counting list and then by just a single item code.
All right, let's jump into method 1, adjusting an entire count using a counting list.
First thing you'll do is hop into the search bar and type in Store Inventory Worksheets.
Okay, now just find the counting list you need to work with, select it, and click Edit Journal.
And that'll bring up the Inventory Journal. This is where you're going to put in your corrected counts.
Before you start typing, let's just quickly break down these 3 really important columns you'll be using.
All right, go ahead and start typing your actual physical counts right into that quantity physic inventory column.
Once you've got all your new numbers in there, just head up and click on Process/Post.
You're going to see this pop up asking to compress the worksheet. Don't worry, just go ahead and click Yes.
Then you'll get another pop-up. This one's just an FYI, so you can just click OK.
And there's your final confirmation. The journal's posted and your inventory is officially updated.
Okay, on to method number 2. This is for when you just need to fix one single item. For this one, you're going to start by searching for Physical Inventory Journal right in the search bar. Once that journal pops open, you'll want to head over to the Prepare tab and click Calculate Inventory. Now, use the filter to pull up the exact item you need to fix, and then just hit OK. You'll see your item appear. Now just plug the correct number into the QYT/PII.Phys inventory column.
With that new number in, just zip over to the Home tab and click on Post to finalize.
And yep, you guessed it, one last pop-up to confirm. Just go ahead and click Yes. And boom, you get the success message. The journal lines are posted and you're all set.
So there you have it, 2 super clear ways to make sure what's in your system matches reality.
So which correction are you going to tackle first? Now you've got the tools to keep your inventory spot on.